Hi, I'm Darnell with Way Loving Recipes, and today I'm going to be air frying chicken breasts in the Cuisinart 6-quart basket air fryer. So let's get cooking right now. Alright, so what I have here are 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and not sure the exact weight, but it's like 3 organic ones from Costco, so you know, however big that is. I've put some extra light olive oil on them. And don't confuse extra light olive oil with extra virgin or regular olive oil. Also using some Old Bay seasoning and some lemon pepper seasoning. Those are the seasonings I prefer. So I've already got them oiled and seasoned on one side. I'm just seasoning up the other side now so that both sides are well seasoned. And use the seasonings that you prefer. I mean, if you just like regular salt and pepper, that's fine. And that tastes very good if that's the route you want to go. And so the oil will just help the seasoning to stick on. Also, it'll help the meat from searing too quickly. So now that we've got everything in there, I'm just going to go ahead and open up. I will turn these over like partway through the cook. So just getting the 3 of them laid out even on an even layer here. And even if you don't have this air fryer, you can try this recipe, you know, in whatever basket air fryer you happen to be using. So now that they're in, it's closing up, and since this hand hasn't touched anything, I'm going to go ahead and hit the air fry button. And they don't have a chicken breast option under the air fry, so I'm just going to use the regular air fry. I'm going to bring the temperature down to an even 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For time, I'm going to go up to like maybe an even I'm probably not going to need 50 minutes, highly doubt it, but just give me somewhere to count down from. I guess may as well do 60. Definitely not going to need 60, but just give me an even number to count down from. I'm going to let these run for about 25 and turn them over. I guess I could do 20. I'll do 20 and I'll turn them over after 20 minutes. So go ahead and hit start. Let them go for 20, and you can just watch them as they go. Alright, things have been going for 20 minutes. I'm going to go in here and turn things over. Just let you have a look at them, if you can see them there. They're kind of falling as I turn them up. But they smell good. No smoke issues at all. And I'm going to give them about 10 on this opposite side, and then we'll see what we've got after that. Alright, 30 minutes of cooking time has passed, so I'm going to give them a temperature check now. Yeah, we're nice and hot. We're in like the 190s. We probably were done 10 minutes ago, but got a nice even cook on both sides now. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to move the air fryer over, and I'm going to put these over on the cutting board here. Let's get them on out here, and you can see like that side got some good searing, other side got some good searing, so we got some good searing on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and stop this. So I'm just going to let them rest for about 5 minutes to reabsorb juices. Alright, the meat has had about 5 minutes to rest, so now I'm just going to go ahead and cut into it, and we'll take a look inside of one. So slice this here. I see a lot of juice coming out there. You can see that there. It's looking pretty good. And so just going to cut a couple pieces here for the sake of taste testing. So I'm going to put those on the plate back here, and we'll go ahead and do a quick taste test. But just give you a closer up view of some of it here. So we'll do a taste test. So thank God for chicken breast, and let's do a quick taste. Okay, definitely cooked faster than I expected. Probably should have done 10 on one side, turned them over, did 10 on the other side, or maybe 15 on the first side, then flipped at 5 on the other, because they probably were done after 20, which I totally did not expect. Usually it takes about 30 minutes in air fryers to do chicken breast, and this one, Cuisinart knocked it out quicker. So they were overcooked a bit, a little dry, but that can be rectified by just not cooking them as long. The Cuisinart knocked it out quicker than I expected. That's the best I can say. So you get your chicken breast air fried quicker, and that's pretty good. No smoke issues at all. Real nice searing, real nice caramelization there. Maillard reaction looks good. So it does a great job, and you don't have to use a lot of time to get it done. So that lets you know how this works out here. If you're using a different air fryer, maybe you'll need a little longer. But all the same, you can knock it out and it's real easy. And so, nothing in this video is sponsored, nothing given to me. And you can always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Again, that's superwaveovenrecipes.com. Nice and easy search function, kind of further down on the page, but you can search for all types of recipes from even before my YouTube days. And in the video description, there's lots of ways that you can help the channel, such as my cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop, or other shops that are linked, like Target, and I think there might be one other, Best Buy, I think is the other one. So lots of shops that you can choose from if you so choose to buy anything from those. Also, there's like Buy Me a Coffee link in there too. There's also the YouTube shopping icon, you can use that. And there are free ways to help the channel as well. If you're watching this video on like the first 7 days of release, there's a hype button that you'll probably see. You can hit that hype button up to 3 times to help promote this video. Also, you can give the video a thumbs up. You can share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.